I'm Steve McGarry, Director of RF Business Development and Product at Samtec. This is a display of Samtec RF product solutions that was recently presented at DesignCon, IMS, and Embedded World trade shows and conferences. It demonstrates Samtec's RF product evolution into high frequency for microwave and millimeter wave applications. At the bottom level, we see RF connectors and cable assemblies with frequency ranges from DC to 6 GHz. This includes SMA, SMB, MCX, MMCX, TNC, and U.FL. Level 2 shows Samtec's first entry into the high-frequency precision RF connector market. Here we see 2.92 mm threaded coaxial cable-to-board assemblies and push-on SMP solutions that perform up to 40 GHz, along with 3.5 mm precision airline connectors performing to 34 GHz. Level 3 extends out to 50 GHz, showing 2.4 mm cable and connector options. Level 4 shows the progression up to 65 and 70 GHz. We see our Magnum RF product line, which is an SMPM blind-made interface loaded into a gang block for high-density requirements where space is a premium. This is our BE70A series, Bullseye High-Performance Test Point System, which is rated at 70 GHz. It's ideal for testing silicon chips and capable of 112 gigabits per second PAM4. The one you're looking at shows our 1.85 mm RF connectors on the cable. On level 5, there's a 1.35 mm compression mount PCB connector and an RF 047A cable assembly, both capable of 90 GHz. And finally, at the top level, you see our highest frequency 1.0 mm connector series, which performs up to 110 GHz. This will be released later this year with plans to also integrate into our next generation of Bullseye, the BE90A series. BE90A will be capable of testing for high-speed data rates all the way up to 224 gigabits per second PAM4. To learn more about these products, go to samtec.com/RF. And if you have any questions, please contact us at rfgroup@samtec.com.